I'm going to show you how you can easily add GIFs on your Facebook profile picture. First, open Google Chrome or any other web browser on your device and search for GIFs. You can use terms like funny GIFs, cute GIFs, or any specific type you want. Here, you will find many GIF options. Browse through the results and select a GIF that you like. Once you find one, download it to your device by tapping on the download button. Now, open your Facebook application on your device. Ensure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen to access your profile. After that, tap on your username to go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the camera icon below your profile picture. This will allow you to change your profile picture. Here, tap on Select Profile Picture to choose the GIF you downloaded earlier. Now select the GIF from your device's gallery. Make sure it plays correctly as a preview. Then, tap on Save at the bottom right corner to update your profile picture. Now as you can see, it's done. Your new GIF profile picture is live on Facebook.